Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So, because we have the x, that means we need to find first the derivative of b with respect to y. So, we do first the derivative of y squared. We have 2y cosine x. First the derivative of y, we have number 1. So, we have 3x squared. This one, we don't have y. So, if we do first the derivative, it will be about number 0. We see that we have dy, so we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So we have sin x. First the derivative of sin x, we have cosine x. First the derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared. This one, we don't have x, so you got about 0. Now, we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one in here, plus 3xy. So, the integration of cosine x, we have sin x. The integration of 3x squared, we have negative x to the power of 3y. The integration of 2x, we have x squared. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. This one, we have y squared, so we have 2y. This one, we have y, so we have negative x to the power of 3. This one, we don't have y, so you got about 0. And we have d over dy, 3xy. And we know that this one is equals to this one. And now we need to simplify for the both sides. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. And now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to lny. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over y. dv equals to dy. The integration of this one, we have v equals to y. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration y divided by y. You got about number 1, so we have dy. The integration of this one, we have y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we go back to this one in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy equals to this one. So I will put this one gone here. And we know that this one equals to fsy equal to c. And now we simplify like this. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.